My people, matter just reach me from Katrina. Una know am na one of the members wey dey for Big Brother Naija. My people, some people no just get heart for this life wey we come. Everybody dey on your own jeje. Dog lie down, you go dey shake dog tail. Na so this girl on her own, nobody send her message, nobody ask her anything. She go for Twitter, on type say she go love am if anybody fit draw her name as tattoo for him body. All the die-hard fans, una know una sef, na so this girl just take am upon himself, say okay make I kukuma go do this tattoo. Abeg put the picture make these people dey see wetin I dey talk about. Una see the tattoo. After she suffer finish, go through all the stress, pay money, the pain and everything. When this girl finish now, na so the video picture of this tattoo una dey watch now come dey go viral. Una no go believe wetin shele. This same Katrina, make I no even call am goat because as I dey like this, I no even dey smile. This girl don come outside now. After this girl do the tattoo, she don come outside, come dey preach moral values, come dey give people lesson. According to her, say if you know say you love am as in fan, say she no dey advise make anybody do tattoo. Say why you go do tattoo? Say you no dey nice. Any celebrity wey dey advise people to draw tattoo on their body, say those celebrities they no nice, they no love una. Many things. He say as far as say you be fan, you love am. The best way to show am say you love am no be by drawing her name or her picture on your body. Na by commenting under im post every time. If you see am, you go beg am say you wan snap picture, you go dey post her picture, you go dey, all those normal things. He say na like that you suppose show am say you love her. So my people, I no even wan waste my time for this matter. Abeg make una hear the goat. Sorry, make una lis ten to Katrina and himself. Join me, make we watch the video.
So I'm just here to talk about this particular girl who tattooed my name on her thigh, Katrina. That's the video, and that's the picture. Like, how can you do something like this to your own body? Tattoo is permanent. If you love me, if you're my fan, there are ways you can actually show that by always posting my pictures, always on my comment section, always attending my events and everything, just to see me, take pictures with me. Not tattooing my name on your body. Guys, this is wrong. Celebrities that encourage these fans needs to stop. How can you be giving these naive fans money to tattoo your face, for tattooing your face or your name on their body, when you know this is really wrong?
And una go tell me say 2021 no come with problem. Una go tell me say this 2021 wey we dey like this, no be person wey write for Twitter now say she go love a person. Una don hear am. Just imagine. You just no get sense, you this girl. See, make una stop dey confuse una sef. Say you be celebrity, no make you perfect, no make you say you know it. You don't know everything. Which kind lifestyle be this one now? Which one come be all this wahala? Why una just decide say una no go just let people rest in peace? Now, una no go even believe this one. I been think say na only me dey for this matter. Like I been think say na only me this thing dey pain. Na only me don't dey look for how to deliver this message. No knowing say I get one big backup. Omo, the woman wey I dey talk about, mommy. I love this woman die. Ada in my name be that. This woman, una remember the Johnson? Na a move for the Johnson. She don't come outside now, blast this girl left, right. He give her, and they say they give me joy. You understand? For now, when no know wetin she tell am, because this one dey sweet. I don't want to use my mouth talker. Join me, make we watch the video.
Doing it. I don't know this girl's name. I don't know what her name is, because I saw her video yesterday and I was so upset. I think she was in the Big Brother Nigeria. She was in the house there, You went on Twitter, you wrote something, you would have loved somebody to have a tattoo of you in their body, and this young lady did. You did not come to say what she did was wrong after she had done it. You came, you did a video, and you were all flirting with your hair. I don't know where the hair hung, that you were flirting with it, and you were being sarcastic. That was sarcasm, as far as Adam is concerned. And that was very wicked of you, and that's still very wicked of you. You know yourself. I don't know. I think after this video, those people that know her will tag her, because I know she can never talk to me. She can't even dare it. If she does it, she will know that some people are very good with this too. All of us get equal level, but Chris gets category.
Hey, somebody say hey. This one a serious blasting. In fact, una hear the part where she open mouth and say we get equal level, but Grace get category. Oh, that's my mama. Now wait till we dey talk about be that. This one, she no get time to dey come. When I know some people, if they come blast person, they go dey talk say I no want call names. This one no get that time. As the thing they do, and so she dey drop her, she go even call your name, your papa name, your son name. She go just bring her like that. Now this kind of energy we need for this 2021. No be this one. Hey, this one gonna come. Hey, I don't want to call names. You don't want to call names. Then why are you out? Madam Katrina, be Katrina, be waiting. I will even call you Sienna because you don't hear this woman. And the prayer where even they pray now. Make this Katrina try answer this woman. No, if you know say you get mouth, no be chi. You never chim. That mouth wey you say you get, no, can't reply. If another person na go keep can't reply, no, see this one now, can't reply and can't open your mouth say they talk nonsense, so that you go see where you go end. You can't do video, you can't talk. Now you don't they teach us morals. After you yourself you go right. I beg, nobody even beg. See, now the fans self are they blame because person like me. Hey, you dey look for who go draw your name, abi? See, you go just grow old. Me, I never even draw my own. No, me myself as I fine, I no fine. As I fine finish, I no draw myself for my body. I go come draw Katrina. You do well. You don't do well because you go Big Brother house now. You no go allow people hear word. You just come outside now. You don't dey misbehave. But Brisky too follow for people who are blame because now you start all this drama, this thing, you give it 1 million, you do this one, you do this one. My sister just quickly tell us say you dey broke. Tell us that you don't have money because my time will reach me say she dey very stingy. You will go do tattoo, you don't do tattoo for the wrong person. You now go dey get celebrities, person they look up to. But you know, now no go study the person. This one they very stingy. I can't go in hand like this. You understand? So this one now you for just can't tell us say, oh, I don't have money. Oh, this one, you just do this one because you know that other celebrities when they are paying people that are tattooing them, do you know how much they give? You never even reach that level. How much you get? How much is the amount? Who sing herself Jatawale? This matter, my people as they talk to me like this, you don't enter another level. Ask me why. Person where we dey talk about this girl wey go draw tattoo, my people. She almost commit suicide. Una think say na jollof rice I dey talk about. She almost commit suicide. But before we enter that one, I want make una listen to the girl himself. You understand? When she dey, because people don't ask her say, Ungwanu, why you go draw tattoo? Why you draw the tattoo? Now she don't come give us explanation. So before we talk about the committing suicide, join me, make we listen to the girl.
Hello people. I didn't really do this for cash. Like writing Katrina name is not for me to. I didn't do it for cash. I only did it. It's called fans love. Writing her name is for me to just still have a memory that okay, I have this particular celebrity that I really love so much, and I write a name on my tie. But she bashing me this way is just like I feel really bad. Like people are coming to my DMs and saying all sort of things. Like wait, like she wrote it online, like on Twitter, like oh, if anybody write my name, like she'll be happy. I did it for one Twitter. Okay, fine. I'm a #1 fan. That was a bit, and now that she's just like, she said, she's like, oh God, like, I feel really bad right now. People coming to my DM, like, so like, this is just too much for me to take it right now. Like,
Huh? I call Katrina stupid, Abby. You are, in fact, you are foolish. Now, even for this whole matter, for this whole congregational speech, you are the most foolish. I beg, allow me use this English where I've ever seen in my life. It's called fans love. It's called this one. I did not do it for the cash. I did not. Chineke na poggy. Chineke na poggy there. Anywhere you're standing right now. You never draw your mama finish all day. You dey go drop a scene where don't come outside now, come they embarrass you. And you don't go they toss you now, they look up to person. You know, waiting there for Katrina now, where person they look up to. If I don't even they make mistake now, they the same height. Waiting they look up to person where they see am from face to face. You they look up now, person where top pass you, they look up to. They are looking up to her. They are doing this one. Now, my people, as I told before, this girl almost commit suicide. If no be say God now God. By now, if I don't hear another thing. I beg, me, I do not say I know too they like they talk plenty without proof. You understand? So I beg, put this video, make these people see what this girl they talk concerning this suicide.
No, I really did something wrong by trying to commit suicide, but at the point that I couldn't take it anymore, like the way people were just coming at me and my background and everything, and at the same time, it's the love I really have for Katrina that made me tattoo her name. If I know that she won't really like it, I won't go ahead and do it. I know I really did a big mistake choosing her as my biggest role model, and this is what she did to me. Like, she turned up and not appreciate me, and she was so ungrateful. This is an video request.
Oh, hi. Katrina, you see what you don't cause? Wickedness everywhere. Some people they look for fans. People don't even get even hand fan. You even get fans. You don't even feel just 3 days. See, my people, when you become celebrity, I don't know how many times I want make her they sing this thing. People they look up to now. And anything when you talk, it will affect them either positively or negatively. In as much, okay, make we even just assume, say, okay, you don't agree with the tattoo thing, even though you use that your hand, that your mumu hand, write that thing for Twitter. Okay, make we agree, say you not even there. Why you not just do them in a nice way? You for first tell them, oh, thank you. You understand? Because person go through something. You know the pain where they for this thing. No be biro, they use drum, needle, machine. Now depression don't catch the girl. She don't almost want commit suicide. If this girl had died now, I wonder where to you for the talk. Now the one way even they pepper me for body be say this Katrina come outside. She still get mouth open. They tell us say, Chineke, you open mouth tell us say, this girl tried to commit suicide because she did desperate. Say she herself when she did at the age of 16 and when she start this hustle, when she dey hustle and hard work and consistency now keep am going. And be say the girl now say na fake. She no commit suicide because say na written o. She just need attention and wetin she dey try tell us. My sister, madam know it all. Hard worker, consistenter. Assuming as you dey talk say you were hardworking since you were 16, this one. If not true, why you go marry that rich old man? Shortcut. See, last, make I just give you the conclusion of this matter. I know say even as I talk this one, you go hate me, but not the truth. Now be say you and this girl wey almost commit suicide, una belong to the same team Shortcut. That Shortcut team una belong because now the same success she define like this. You find success, you go marry old man for this your age. Shame suppose they catch you, your ear they smell. If you know what's good for you next time for this your life, no just try am. Careful what you ask for. Now you go ask for person tattoo, and now you can't cause depression for person life. No go better for some people for this life. My people, now the matter be this. So drop your comments for that comment section because I know soon I go agree with me big time. You understand? Drop them for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video because Katrina, I know waiting they call her. She need hear me. And that girl, that mumu girl too, we almost commit suicide. She also need hear my voice. And for you, if you like, go try am again next time. Subscribe if you never subscribe. My people are there here for now every time. Stay tuned for the next story.